In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Chrome. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can feel comfortable using Chrome for everyday browsing. To begin, open Google Chrome on your device. Once it launches, you'll see the main browser window appear. This is where you'll do everything from visiting websites to searching for information online. At the top of the window, you'll find the address bar. This is one of the most important parts of Chrome because it lets you do two things. First, you can type the address of a specific website if you already know where you want to go. For example, if you want to visit a particular site directly, this is where you enter it. Second, you can also use this same bar to search the web. So if you want to look up something like YouTube or any other topic, you can simply type it into the address bar and press enter. Chrome will then take you to the search results or directly to the website if it recognizes what you mean. As you browse, you may want to open another website without leaving the page you're already on. To do that, look for the plus icon near the top of the browser. Clicking that plus icon opens a new tab. A new tab is helpful because it gives you another browsing space inside the same Chrome window. This makes it easy to keep one website open while you visit another, compare information, or switch back and forth between pages more easily. You'll also notice a refresh icon, usually near the address bar. This is useful if a page freezes, doesn't load properly, or seems outdated. Clicking the refresh icon tells Chrome to reload the page. In many cases, this solves small loading issues and helps the page display correctly. It's a quick and easy troubleshooting step that's worth remembering. Once you understand these basic tools, you're ready to start using Chrome with more confidence. The address bar helps you search and visit websites. The plus icon opens new tabs, and the refresh button helps reload a page when needed. These are some of the core actions you'll use again and again. From here, feel free to explore. The more you use Chrome, the more natural it will become. Take your time clicking around, opening tabs, and visiting different websites so you can get familiar with how everything works. With just these basics, you already have a strong start using Google Chrome.